Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and doing good in this winter. So today I'm gonna show you how you can protect your skin in this winter. When you transition from sweaty summer to dry winter, it is important to switch your skincare routine to suit the cold weather conditions. The dry winds make your skin more dull, more dry, so it is ideal to follow a skincare routine for dry skin in this winter. So today I'm here to give those tips in this video. So do not skip this video and keep watching till the end. This video is about a night skincare for dry skin in winter. So please keep watching, and without doing any further delay, let's get start the video. Guys, here is the first and most important step, which is removing your makeup before going to your bed. Here I am using Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Cleansing Water. This all-in-one cleanser is surprisingly powerful yet gentle to your skin. It is specially formulated to effectively cleanse, remove makeup and refresh your skin like a magnet. So guys, this is the gentle reminder that sleeping with makeup on can clog pores and make your skin more prone to breakouts. You don't want that kind of negativity in your life, do you? So here is the solution. So guys, before going to your bed, make sure you are removing your makeup on every day. So if you are in a habit of directly reaching for your cleanser after getting home, then I suggest you include an extra step in your night skincare routine, which I am showing here. So all dirt has removed from my skin. Next step is cleanse your skin. Here I am using Biotic Papaya Face Wash. Take some amount of the same cleanser which you used in the morning, massage it into your skin and rinse with lukewarm water. Your dry skincare routine in winter definitely needs a double cleanse. When you do a double cleanse, you are helping your skin get rid of all the dirt, dust, bacteria and other harmful pollutants without stripping it of its natural oils. So next step is exfoliate or scrubbing. Here I am using Joy Skin Fruits Scrubber. Take a small amount onto your fingertips and massage the scrub over damp skin in small circular motions while applying gentle pressure. Massage for a minute before rinsing with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry. Dry skin gives rise to dead skin, and therefore you need to exfoliate at least once or twice a week in winters. Exfoliation buffs away dead skin cells and other impurities, revealing a healthy glow. It stimulates healthy skin cell renewal and improves the appearance of your complexion, making it soft, smooth, and radiant. Next step is moisturizer. Here I am using Good Vibes Orange Moisturizer on my face. Night is an essential time to renew your mind and your skin. Adding a lotion or moisturizer before bed creates softer, more hydrated and better looking skin the next day. It also helps seal in moisture and repairs the skin barrier that's compromised by dry air and harsh cleansers. The cold, dry winds in the winter months makes your skin lose moisture rapidly. In fact, your skin loses a quarter of its ability to hold moisture in the cold weather. As a result, your skin feels dry, flaky, and tight. And for that reason, you need to follow all those steps which I am showing here. Next step is hydrating your skin with the serum. Here I am using Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum with vitamin C and turmeric. You can alternate this step with the previous step. That means you can apply the moisturizer on your face or you can apply the serum on your face. But most of the time I follow both the steps on my night skincare routine. Vitamin C and turmeric's powerful action combined reduce acne spots, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, etc. for an instantly glowing, youthful skin. So guys, now you can see the differences in my skin. So yeah guys, this is what all about this video. I hope you guys will like this video and like this skincare routine. Please follow this routine in this winter to keep your skin hydrated, healthy and flawless. So guys, if you like this video and like this skincare routine, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and please do not forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. These are my page, and please do share this link with your friends and family. So yeah, I will meet you guys on my next YouTube video. Till then, keep smiling, keep loving me. Bye bye.